Well, I spent about 2 hours again trying to get the short out of the Central Electronics 100V. I think I got the short gone now, and I'm not even sure where it was. When I wiggled this area, I would see almost 0 ohms in the meter. If I wiggled it here, I would see 0 ohms. Anyway, the way I could make the short come back was I could push hard on this part here, really hard toward the back, and it would short out, or push onto here, it would short. Anyway, it seemed like when I moved wires under here, it went away. So I've been moving wires for 2 hours under all these switches, thinking something is shorted somewhere, and what really got it gone, I think, was moving things under here. I have no idea what was touching. You can't see under here. It's too dense to see anything in there. So looks like I even broke this little solder joint here from pushing that thing for 2 or 3 attempts months ago to find this same short. I thought the short was gone, but it came back. Anyway, I'm on the B plus line here now. This resistor, the third one in, which is a 4.6. I think I've burned up like 3 of these things with a short. So now that I've been trying to get the 340 volts working over here, using some strange concoctions with the power transformer, I finally put 2 chokes in series and put a diode across it backwards actually, and that gave me 340 volts, just experimenting. I finally got 340 volts in here, and then this thing was sparking in here. I had the cover on and it was kind of sparking in here last night, so I thought, well, here we go again. Something is shorted, and I couldn't transmit it all, so I thought today was the day here on Saturday to get rid of that short. At any rate, so now if I really push, these can short easily because they're flimsy, but I could easily take this thing down to a couple ohms if I would press on this stuff, and now it's not moving when I really press it hard. I'm not getting any more shorts. So I'm thinking this transmitter is ready for the second try here. I gotta put in my remaining 4.7K resistor, which is the last one I have, because I burned up the rest of them with short. And maybe this thing will fire up, so let's see what happens. It'd be nice to get it working again. I've had it working, but it burned up, of course, as you know. So yeah, I think this is finally steady. Well, there is a little bit of variance there. You see that? That's my nemesis. Anyway, let's try it out now. I think it's close enough. Get these pins tightened up on these Joe Bachelor coils here. Broadband output coils, and fire it up with B plus and see what happens. I gotta put a new resistor in here, a new 4.6K in there, and off we go. So yeah, I've had shorts. I had a 4.6K burn up here. I've had this one burn up from shorts. I think I changed that one to fix the finals bias. I might have to change that thing around some more because the voltages are gonna be correct now. All right, that's my update on the 100V. Have a great day.